Hi guys, welcome back to the Vanity. It's Jennifer. Today what we're going to do is a tutorial, just a quick look, or hopefully quick look, with the Bad Habit Athena palette. I did do a haul with Shop Hush. They sent me items over and we collabed and did this video. Not this one, in the haul video. I don't know why I'm pointing over there. It's not like the video's over there. But anyway, in the haul video, I also have a giveaway going with that. But in that video, I did show all the palettes that are not in the giveaway. I showed looks with those, so if you're interested in that, again, check that out. But we're just going to do a look on this palette, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Athena palette. It's very pretty. It has a bunch of really unusual shimmer shadows as far as the undertones and things like that, and just some really interesting colors. So I wanted to feature this one. I do already have my face all set. I used the new Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I used that. I used this CYO highlighting concealer with brush with Brilliance for my under eye concealer. I do have the MILANI eye primer on. Then for blush, I've just used this Tarte blush in Cherished. Let's see if I can get it open. This color here. And then for the highlight, I did go ahead and just use a Bad Habit palette that was sent to me as well. This is their Paradise highlighting kit. I went in with White Sands here on the highlight. So that's everything that's currently on my face. So now let's get started. Okay, let me see. What kind of a look do I want to do? I think I'm going to use one of these, either Epic or Gleam. One of these two shades here that are very pretty shimmers with like purpley type undertones in it. But I'm going to start off with, I think, I'm going to start off with this color here, which is called Truth. I'm going to start that off in the crease. I'm just going to use my BH Cosmetics. I think it's just like their fluffy blending brush. It just kind of does a really good job at just applying a crease color really quickly and really blown out. Do you guys have one eye that always goes on better than the other? This eye is like my bad eye. I feel like it is kind of, even though it doesn't look that way, I feel like it's kind of droopy. And the shadows always end up going farther down this way than they should. But I just deal with it. I don't really fix it all that much. But like this eye I feel like doesn't take me as long to do. I hope the video doesn't look too washed out because the sun is not really out. I mean, it's out, but it just, for whatever reason, it really hasn't hit this side of the house yet. It hasn't peeked out that far. It's like too early in the day, I feel like. And I think instead of going back and forth between the eyes, I'm going to finish one, I'll do the other one off camera, and then I'll come back. So I think that that's looking pretty good. I am going to then just quickly sweep that underneath the eye as well to tie that in. I know some people do that last, but I kind of like to do it as I'm going along. And I'm using one of my Coastal Scents brushes for that. It's the BRC N08. Okay, so then I'm going to go into Clever, which is just their matte dark brown in here. I'm going to concentrate that on the outer corner here. I'm going to start off with the Coastal Scents BRC-N06. And then I'm just kind of blending over so that the shadows all melt together. I'm going to go back in with that other brush that we were using, same color. And I swear this is not sponsored by Coastal Scents, but I really like their brushes and they're inexpensive. So I'm going to take like this little, it's like a pencil brush kind of, but it's a little bit longer than your typical pencil brush. It's called their BR-C-N53. I will also link these brushes if you guys are interested. I really like their brushes and they're super inexpensive. They're even cheaper than e.l.f. brushes, and I feel like they have more options for different shape brushes, which I really like. Okay, so we got like a nice smoky action going on here. What I'm going to do to kind of brighten this a little bit and tie in the color that I'm going to put on the lid is take the color called Valor, which is this one right here. It's like a nice peachy kind of color, and I am going to take the same fluffy blending brush that we started with, and I'm going to just concentrate right on the outer part here just to kind of diffuse it and add a little bit, a peak of sort of warmthness. Because my eyes are hooded, it's a little bit tricky. Great. Then I'm going to take the brush that we used in this sort of outer V area. I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to blend that on the lower lash line here. And this brush has no color, but I'm just going to take that along the edge. Okay, perfect. So then the color that I think I'm going to put on the lid is this color called, I don't know if I want Epic or if I want Gleam. Let me take a look. I think I'm going to go with Epic. It has a little bit more pink, so it's just going to be a little bit different pop of color than what we've already got going, and it'll make it a little bit more unexpected. I'm just going to take that color on my finger, and again, that one is Epic right here. And we're going to just pop that on the lid. Oh, it's so pretty! I love these, the two colors in here, Gleam and Epic. They do this just really pretty, almost like wet metallic look, and I just really love it. Yeah, so pretty. Okay, so then I'm just going to take that fluffy brush here and just blend that. And then I have like a faux color switch thing. I'm just using that because I used the dark brown on this little pencil brush. I'm going to go into the same color and I'm going to concentrate that down here. I'm going to go into Epic again. So I'm just going to go back in with Valor, which is that peachy shade that we were using right here. Where am I at? Right here. And I'm just going to get a little bit more in this inner corner here. Okay, now this palette doesn't have an inner corner highlight for me, so I will just use something else to do that. I'm going to complete the other eye and then put on mascara and everything, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I really enjoyed this look. It is like a nice, I don't know if you call this everyday. It's an everyday look for me. I finished it off. I wanted to play off sort of that purpley blue shift in the eyeshadow. So I took this NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. So I don't know why they just can't call it Slide On Eyeliner, but the color is in Sunrise Blue. I took that in the waterline just to kind of give it a little bit of a pop. I didn't do any inner corner highlights. I don't think I'm going to because there's kind of a lot, I think, for an office look going on in this look. I did put on just a nice lip gloss. I finished the eyes using the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and then I went over that with the CoverGirl, the Supersizer. Mine's all kind of wearing off of here, but I love this for the lower lash line, and then also just kind of comb out the lashes a little bit because this formula right now is getting a little clumpy on me, but I'm trying to use them up. I'm trying to use both these up. So that's what I put on. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Excuse the hair, that's what I'm going to do next before I go to work. And I thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you do want to be notified for any of my future videos, just ring that little bell, as every YouTuber is telling you to do, and YouTube will send you notifications when we upload new videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!